Hey, it's me, and welcome to Trump Mafia. Now, with this recount in Michigan, massive election fraud was uncovered in Detroit. Ballots were counted over 6 times each. Okay, so for example, there's a ballot box that is sealed and approved by one of the Democrats as having 306 ballots inside. But when it was opened, it only had 50. Means they're counting 6 times more votes for Hillary than reality, meaning all over Detroit there was massive fraud in terms of counting ballots over 6 times. Okay, so they want to prevent now a recount in the other precincts where there will be voter fraud as well. So we're talking about Democrat operatives intentionally cheating and marking off wrong counts that are 6 times higher. So in reality, the big turnout in Detroit, which made Michigan almost even as Donald Trump won in all the other counties, it means that it can take the Detroit vote of Hillary Clinton and divide by 6 to get the real number, or something similar. In other words, Donald Trump won Michigan even considering all this massive voter fraud or election fraud. And that means that Donald Trump won Michigan by many more votes than what was reported. But this brings us back once again to the popular vote, where surprisingly, Hillary loses even in Democrat states, but ends up with a 2 million surplus in popular votes. It's impossible. So you can imagine if this happens in Detroit, imagine all the cities in California where they don't have to show voter ID, where they're counting ballots maybe 6 or 10 times, and you have illegals voting all over the place. Detroit is just one city in Michigan, but just imagine what happened in California and even in Florida. So it's really true. Hillary's popular vote is a myth. It's election fraud.
All right, all right, all right.